Let's buy Ripple XRP. How to buy this on the Bitmart Exchange. Let's break this down. Very simple and very easy. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. Let's do this. Now, the first thing I want you to do is click on the link below and register for you can buy XRP. Are you with me? Right on the Bitmart Exchange. There's a link there. Click there. Get registered. Next thing I want you to do, come back to the home page and let's click on Buy Crypto Third-Party Payment. I give you two options of how this all works. First one, you can just buy it. Literally, buy it. And we're going to buy USDT. Look to buy USDT, I should say. Right here, because we're going to swap our USDT for Ripple XRP. Very simple. So that's how you buy it. You can buy it right there. The next thing is you can get it transferred. So you can get a deposit transfer by going under your account and look for deposit. From there, you can have it transferred to your account. So I'll click on USDT. And for this example, we're going to use ERC20. ERC20. Now you can purchase it from somewhere else like Coinbase. So I can purchase my USDT on Coinbase. Very simple and very easy. You see buy tether. Then after I buy it, I can literally get this transfer. You see send crypto to a crypto address. Get that, send this. And here's your address you want to use. Use this address. Very simple. After you have all that and your tokens is in your possession, in your account, let's go to trade and then spot. Trade and spot. Okay? Either option will work. And then click on the arrows. And you simply want to go to XRP. XRP USDT. Make sure it says XRP USDT. That's what you want. That X there, the Ripple right there. Okay? Now from here, you can simply just buy it. You can simply just buy it. So if I was trying to buy two XRPs, or yeah, two XRPs, 49 cents per my USDT, I am charged some fees that is right here. And I simply can just buy XRP right on this flat platform. If I'm trying to sell it, click on sell, and I'll just put the amount of XRP I'm trying to sell it back to my USDT, and there you go. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. Don't forget to click on the link below to register so you can get your Ripple XRP on Bitmart.